Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I am kind of excited and proud at the same time. Small steps for me, big things for me. Big things for me, small steps for others. This is my first Dimple lock. I do not have any Dimple picks yet, but I do have this Z-bar, and I do have a brain, and I like to figure things out. So check this out. This is how you rake open a Dimple lock. Sick, eh? I like that. I thought I'd share that with you guys. That's flippin' cool. I didn't know how to rake a Dimple lock. As I said, I'm just going down the Dimple road right now. This is the only Dimple lock I have in the house, and I thought, you know what? Let's see if this rake from my nice, sexy Echelon set would do the trick, and sure enough, it did. I didn't even know how to rake because I was trying different things, and then I just thought, I looked at the key, and I noticed that one side of this has teeth kind of thing, and the other side is flat. So when I looked at the key, you got the teeth, and then in the middle there you got that little interactive point, or I don't know if it's an interactive, people are going to correct me in the comments, but you got that little, I don't know, circle element there. So I was assuming it needed to be attacked by both sides of the rake to be able to lift all the pins into the correct spots. I'm so smart. Yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. I thought that was pretty exciting. I'm pretty psyched about that. Yeah, I think that's all I got for you this time. If you guys want to do me a huge favor, like my videos, subscribe to my channel, share my videos. It would mean a lot to me. Until next time, catch you later.